Have you ever been there? You've been patient. You've made dua. You've tried to hold on, but the hardship just gets worse. The pressure intensifies. The walls close in until your heart reaches your throat and a dark thought whispers, "Maybe Allah has abandoned me." If you feel this, I need you to listen closely. That feeling of intensification is not a sign that you are failing. It is not a sign of abandonment. It is the sign that the final test has begun. And your response in this exact moment is the very key that unlocks the breakthrough you've been praying for. For so long, we've been conditioned to react to hardship with panic. We ask, why is this happening to me? We fight the reality. We get angry. We despair. This reaction, this internal chaos, is the dunya trap. It's the response of someone who believes they are a victim of their circumstances. But a believer is never a victim. A believer is a servant under the care of the Most Wise. Allah has given us an immutable law of the universe, a divine cheat code for life. He says in Surah Ar-Ra'd, "Inna Allaha la yughayyiru ma biqawmin hatta yughayyiru ma bi anfusihim." Indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is within themselves. Read that again. The change in your external world, the job, the health, the family situation, is directly tied to the change in your internal world, your yaqeen, your certainty, your trust. Think of Musa, peace be upon him. He is standing with his people, trapped. In front of them, an impossible sea. Behind them, the murderous army of the most powerful tyrant on earth. His people panicked. They said, "We will be overtaken." They failed the internal test. But look at Musa's response. At the moment of maximum pressure, he changed what was within himself. He didn't see a dead end. He saw his Lord. He said with absolute certainty, "Kalla, inna ma'ya rabbi sayahdeen." No, indeed, with me is my Lord. He will guide me. That was the key. That internal shift from panic to peace, from doubt to yaqeen. That is what parted the sea. So when your trial intensifies, Allah is not asking you to be stronger. He is asking you to be more certain. He is presenting you with your own Red Sea moment. Will you panic like the people, or will you respond with the certainty of a prophet? Here is your framework, not to fight the storm, but to unlock the miracle within it. It's the 3-step Yaqeen Reset. Step 1, pause and reframe the question. The moment the pressure hits, stop, breathe. Do not ask, "Why is this happening to me?" That is a question of objection. Instead, ask the question of a student. Ya Allah, what are you trying to teach me? How are you shaping me for the ease that you have promised me? This flips you from a victim into a willing participant in your own growth. Step 2, declare your good opinion of Allah. Remember the Hadith Qudsi, "I am as my servant thinks I am." So use your tongue to command your heart. Say it out loud. Ya Allah, I know you are Al-Hakim, the most wise, and this is part of your perfect plan for me. I know you are Al-Rahman, the most merciful, and your mercy is in this. You are actively choosing to see Allah's beauty even in the heart of the storm. Step 3, surrender the heart, not the hands. This is the highest level. Your hands can still work to find a solution. You can send the CV, go to the doctor, have the difficult conversation, but your heart Your heart is in a state of absolute taslim, of peaceful surrender to the decree of Allah. You work, but you are not attached to the outcome because you know the best outcome is the one Allah chooses. This is true power. Not fighting the waves, but learning to ride them with trust. The next time your world starts to crack and the pressure feels unbearable, I want you to smile. Because you now know this isn't the beginning of the end, it's the end of the test. Allah is simply asking you, have you changed what is within yourself? Have you replaced the old panic with a new certainty? Your hardship is not a wall, it is a door. And your unwavering trust in Him is the only key you will ever need.